How to fix Messenger calls not showing up on screen. Hi guys, welcome to Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there are any updates available for Messenger. And if yes, install the updates and restart the app. The next thing is check your notification settings. Make sure that you have enabled notifications for Messenger calls. To do this, go to your device's settings and to notifications and look for Messenger. Make sure that the notification settings are turned on. If that simply helps, then that's great for you, but if it still doesn't, then make sure to clear app cache. Cleaning the cache of the Messenger app can help in resolving any app-related issues. To do this, go to your device's settings, then tap on Apps, find Messenger and tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. And if that doesn't help either, then try restarting your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve the issue, so try turning off your device, wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. And if none of these solutions work, then you might have to contact Messenger support for further assistance. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.